today let us solve the problem regarding the modulation index. So here is the question. Show the AM waveform for the AM modulation index. Here they have given 3 modulation index, that is 0.75, 1 and 1.25. Now let us solve or draw the AM waveform for the modulation index 0.75. So how it is looks? For the modulation index, you have to consider this. This is your time domain. So this is your analog waveform. Okay, if you want, you can extend this. Okay. So here, how to represent the carrier, and this is your message signal. Here you are going to get the carrier. For the index modulation, that is modulation index 0.75, you are going to get the waveform like this. Let us consider this as T. We all know the formula, mu is equal to AM divided by AC. Here we are going to represent for the modulation index 0.75. So how to show this 0.75 with respect to the message signal as well as the carrier signal is? So here you can see this represent. So from 0, if you are going to consider, this is your AC, okay, and this is your, this much is your AM. So this, whereas whenever we have got the modulation index 0.75, we are going to get the waveform like this. Let us see for the modulation index when the modulation index is equal to 1. So second question is modulation index is equal to 1. So for this the waveform okay. So this is our T. Why here this crosses the 0 is, we all know that for the modulation index is equal to 1, the waveform will crosses 0. So if you have to represent the carrier signal, we are going to consider the carrier frequency like this, correct? So this is the waveform, AM waveform for the modulation index is equal to 1. So mu is equal to AM divided by AC. If at all it is 1, this crosses 0. Okay. So here you can see this is our message signal and this is the carrier. So now let us see for the third one, that is when modulation index is equal to 1.25. When modulation index is equal to 1.25, we can draw the waveform like this. Consider this as T. Okay. So this is 0. In order to represent the carrier wave, so when it comes to this, okay, here what will going to happen if at all the modulation index is more than 1, here the phase reversal. So here you can see this has to be go to the positive, instead of that we are going to get the phase reversal here. So by this we can say that whenever there is the modulation index is more than 1, it is there we are going to get the phase reversal. So we can conclude this problem saying that if it is below 1, what will going to happen? AM divided by AC is equal to 0.75. We are going to get the waveform like this, because here carrier amplitude is more than the message amplitude, that is AC is 0.75. So you can see the AM wave here. Okay. So whenever it is modulation index is equal to 1, it directly touches the 0, that is T here, and if it is 1.25, what will going to happen? Here it will going to happen with respect to the phase reversal with 1.25. Okay. So when AM is greater than AC, the result, it will result in the, we call that as the over modulation. You have to remember this. When AM is greater than AC, this terminal is called as what? Over modulation. Now let us see the another problem where the question goes like this. So consider a message signal. They have given the message signal m of t is equal to 20 cos 2 pi f into t, and c of t is equal to 50 into cos 100 2 pi f into t. Okay. Now for this they have given the write an expression for resulting AM wave with modulating index 0.75. They have mentioned the modulating index here 0.75 in time domain, and second one is draw the spectrum of AM wave, and the third one is sketch the resulting wave for 75% modulation. Now if we are going to consider this, we have got the m of t, we have m of t, we have c of t. From that let us take the equation m of t and c of t. Now let us write what are the required components here. AM is required, so how much? AM is 20, and what is the FM here? 2 pi FCT, FMT. So FM is equal to 1 hertz, FM is equal to 1 hertz. So from this equation C of t, what is the AC? It is 50, and here 100 into pi into t. So if we are going to split this 2 pi FCT, we are going to get FC is equal to 50. After considering this AM, FM, AC and FC, so we know the standard equation for the AM wave, that we are going to write like this: S of AM of t is equal to AC into 1 plus mu cos 2 pi FM into t into cos 2 pi FCT. So what we have to do here is we have to substitute the obtained value to the equation. So what we are going to, how can we write the equation number 1 is S of AM into t is equal to, so there is an AC, AC is how much? 50 into 1 plus mu is, they have given mu is equal to 0.75 and into cos 2 pi FM. So FM we have 1 hertz, FM into t, and cos 2 pi FC. FC we have 50 hertz, 50 into t. So let us consider this equation as 2. Now when we multiply this, we get the equation. So after multiplying this S of t with respect to the cos 2 pi 50t, we are going to get the equation this. So 50 into cos 2 pi 50 into t plus 37.5 into cos 2 pi into 50 of t into cos 2 pi t. So we can consider this equation with respect to cos A into cos B. We know the formula for this: half into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. How to write this equation? S of t is equal to 50 into cos 2 pi into 50 into t plus, after dividing this with respect to 2, 37 point divided by 2 cos 2 pi into 51t plus cos 2 pi into 49t. So we will consider this for the frequency. In order to write the spectrum, we are going to consider those frequencies. So after this is equal to 50 cos 2 pi into 50 into t plus, after dividing this we are going to get the 18.75 and into cos 2 pi into 51 into t plus cos into 2 pi into 49t. So after considering this equation, this is in the time domain expression for the AM wave. Considering this equation, we have to convert this for the Fourier transform. That is what we are going to consider taking the Fourier transform for this equation. We are going to get in terms of what? Del. Converting this, S of f is equal to 25 into del of f minus 50 plus del of f plus 50 and goes with plus 9.375 into del of f minus 51 plus del of f plus 50 plus 9.375 del of f plus 49 plus del of 49. So, these are the frequencies in order to represent the spectrum in the time domain expression. Okay. Now, let us see how to represent the spectrum for the given AM wave considering the modulation index. Here we have got the last question is sketch the resulting wave of for 75 modulation. So, in order to represent this, let us consider this spectrum. So, here at the upper sideband frequency we have got, this is our center frequency. So, the amplitude is 25. So, we are going to consider this. Here also we have got 25 and here. So, at the right shift and the left shift we have got this is 50 and we are going to consider the values from here, this is 49. Okay. So, when comes to the, this is the upper sideband and this for the lower sideband. So, while writing this we have to extend till here. Okay. So, like this you have to write the spectrum. So, here also what? This is what? The center frequency for 50 we have. So, this is minus 51, this is minus 49. This is of, after taking the Fourier transform we have got the center frequency as well as the upper sideband frequency and the lower sideband frequency. So, we are going to represent like this considering this equation. Okay. Here for this we are going to consider 9.375, this is also what? 9.375, this is also how much we have? 9.375 and this is. So, this is how we are going to represent the spectrum of AM wave. So, here we are going to consider this for the del of f minus 50 and this is for del of f plus 50. So, in order to represent this, this is your minus 49 and this is your minus 59. So, whenever with respect to the left shift and the right shift, we are going to get minus 49 here and minus 51 here. After obtaining the Fourier transform, we are going to get the values of Fc here. This is, we call this as Fc plus Fm, this is our Fc minus Fm, this is our center frequency. So, where this represent the 9.375, this is our 9.375 and we have got the amplitude of 25. Okay. Here also same thing with respect to the other sideband, minus 49, minus 51 and here we are going to represent with the minus 50. So, here also this is for what? Del of f plus 50. Now, in order to write the waveform for the modulation index 75%. So, whatever the values we have got, you have to first write it down. So, after considering the values here, AM is equal to 20, AC is equal to 50, mu is equal to 0.75. So, in order to obtain the maximum amplitude and the minimum amplitude values, we know the formula from the previous classes, that is what? AC into 1 plus mu and here AC into 1 minus mu. So, after substituting that, we all know that what is the amplitude of the carrier, that is 50, 1 plus modulation index is equal to 0.75. So, we are going to get the value 87.5. Okay. After that, to find out the amplitude minimum value, AC into 1 minus mu is equal to 50 into 1 minus 0.75, we are going to get the value 12.75. Now, we have to sketch the resulting wave for the 75% modulation. Now, here we have got the amplitude of 50, both sides at the amplitude of 50. From here, if we are going to write like this, okay. So we have written the amplitude modulation for when it is modulation index is equal to 0.75. So you all know that, but for the amplitude of 50 we are going to represent like this. Okay, this is our message signal. If we have to represent the carrier frequency here, okay. Now this is the maximum amplitude we have for the carrier signal. Here you can see A max, this is our A max, okay, this is our A max. How much we are going to get? This is the value we have got here from the equation, we have got 87.5, and this is our minimum amplitude. A minimum is equal to, we have 12.5. So this is how we are going to represent both the values of A max and A minimum. If we extend this, this is our, here you can represent the A minimum, that is how much? 12.5. So for S of t we have drawn or sketch the resulting wave for 75% modulation. We have drawn for the given 0.75 modulation. So the wave looks like this.